what is being traded in the currency market? What is being traded in the currency market? And the answer is what? Money. You can even call it kudi or ego. Money is being traded. And what you are trading in the money is the exchange rate of one currency to another. You are trading the exchange rate of one currency to another. Let's do a typical example using Nigerian naira to actually understand how this trading works. Remember, January 2017, Nigerian dollar to naira was $490. Now let's assume you had 40 million naira. You could have easily gone ahead to buy $100,000. That was in January. 3 months later, the dollar rose from 400 to 480. Now, if you decide to sell your dollar at the price of 480, your 40 million becomes 48 million. Which means in that space of 3 months, you could have made a profit of how much? 8 million naira. That is a typical foreign exchange transaction done in a local way, on in the physical form between naira and dollar. This is actually how it works. The only difference is that when you are trading on the global market, you are not trading with naira, you are trading with dollar and euro and pounds. Now let's look at it in another way. Let's assume you bought the dollar at 400. So at the same way, you bought 40 million what? Now instead of dollar going from 400 to 480, dollar now went to 320. That means dollar went down. If you decide to sell your dollar at that point, you have a loss of how much? 8 million, which means you can make a profit and you can make a loss. You can make a profit and you can make a loss. But here is how the game works. If you buy, you make a profit when the price goes up. If you sell, you are making a profit when the price comes down. If you buy, you make a profit when the price goes up. And when you sell, you make a profit when the price goes down. Now, this is the $1 million question. I call it the $1 million question because this is actually where you make money in this business. The question is this: how do you know when the price will go up so you buy? How do you know when the price is going to go down so you sell? It is when you know this that you've answered the $1 million question and you can start making real money in this business of trading. So the problem is this: how do you know where the price is going? And that's the question I want to answer today. How do traders know where the price is going? So for instance, if you buy, you expect the price to go up, and if you sell, you expect the price to come down.